mabitin lang yun kasi kayo na pa nag-message yung fans sa Horizon ng mga anchor natin.
Yes, kasama mo po natin ngayon si MJ Marfori.
Hindi pa nga pala ako na intro, nagdaldala na kami.
Oo, kami pa rin po ni Mase dito. Ako si Chicky Verhel. Yes.
Oo. Basahin lang natin na mabilisan yung comment ng ating mga netizens. Si Josephine Espiritu, the ICC has the legal right, not minding the courts here locally. Ito yung sagot dun sa tanong natin kung tingin ba nila may nalabag doon sa karapatan ni former President Rodrigo Duterte. Willie Montano, hindi nalabag ang karapatan ni ex-president. Tapos yung iba, puro hinahanap na yung horizon.
Oo nga, puro hinahanap na.
O yung
diba?
mga suki na lang natin, Alex Fuentes, Carlo Constantino, RJ Brea, Karen Bacarizas, Kiko Enemi Villarosa, Ignacio Lagos and family, Deng Peralta, Gigi Victa, Lolita Mendez.
Yan.
Hello.
Edwin Adapon, Lynith Roses, hello.
Hi guys, Jet Arcega, hello. O di ba lagi nagpapabate?
Yes, si Jet.
Eto
Si
na.
Mary Joy naman, my patience could never wait.
Oh, eto na.
Ito na.
O di ba excited na ba kayo dahil makakwentuhan ulit natin ang global pop group na Horizon. Syempre dahil meron silang comeback single, alam na natin to at nahulaan ng ibang mga anchor to dati nung pinapahulaan nila yung title, Cold! Ayan! So nandito syempre si Vinci, Kim, Kyler, Winston, Jerome, and Marcus! Hi boys!
MJ, sabi mo global pop group, so hindi na lang P-pop, global pop.
Yes, oo. Global pop group talaga sila dahil ang Horizon ay based sa Korea. And of course, they are here dahil syempre, atin sila. Mga Pilipino, making it big. And of course, we do know that, syempre, excited na kami para sa Cold. Diba? And I know this was months in the making. How are you guys these past few months?
Well, it's exciting kasi finally may lalabas na talaga namin sa mga streaming platforms ang Cold. And it's all about, feeling cold. Kasi mainit ngayon eh.
Oo nga. In the advent of, dry season na
Yes.
daw. Kahapon nagsimula yun. Papalamigin naman ninyo, hihipan nyo ang ating mga anchor na miss na kayo dahil talagang nabitin sila, di ba? Buti si Vinci napapanood ka namin every weekend sa Be the Next 9
Yeah.
Dreamers. Kamusta ang mentor life?
Very unreal nga sa napag-usapan po natin last time kasi kasama ko mga bigatin ng mga mentors din. So, yun.
Balita ko may mga mag-a-acting job
Oh.
Oy, tinignan ko na ba? May gusto ka ba sabihin?
Actually,
Wait yung mic.
Mike.
You can lift it.
yeah, ano po, gusto ko pong i-pursue yung pag-acting ko. If ever man na makuha, sana po, yun.
Bakit if ever? Parang may narinig na ako. Ay, meron ba?
Meron po ba? Shoutout po sa inyo. Kuhaan niyo po ako.
Ano bang gusto
Putting
nyo,
it out there.
ano bang gusto nyong mga i-pursue? Siyempre kung pag-mentor, what else is in the horizon?
Oh.
O, di ba?
Simulan sa'yo, Jerome.
Para po sa akin I still wanna pursue na yung ginagawa ko ngayon, which is performing. And maybe,
Dancing.
dancing and singing maybe, yeah. And aside from that, maybe acting too.
Whoa!
Because
Open sila doon.
like before kasi nakapag-acting lesson na rin ako. So like, sa ibang nakapag-extra na rin ako sa mga ibang palabas.
Nice.
Oo, ngayon syempre pang bida na, di ba? Pang bida next.
Be the next.
Oo, di ba?
Yes.
What can you say? Do you want to add to that or let's move on?
I mean, of course, seven of us, but now there's only 6 of us, but I'm sure all 7 of us are really, have fallen in love with performing. So yun lang, just to, assure our anchors na everything across the horizon will just be the same.
That's
we
nice.
will keep performing, we'll keep on doing our best. Syempre, performing will be the same, but what won't be the same is our skill. Of course, we're gonna keep getting better. And sana, everyone will look out for the future as well. Pero syempre, focus muna sa present. Code is out, okay? So please stream Code.
Yeah, so just to go back, no? Ano yung naging inspiration nyo for Cold?
Well, Cold is, it's about the feelings of, cold. Parang yung
As in
feelings
literal.
yes po, parang yung feelings na ibang tao na magiging cold po bigla. Out of nowhere. Like, you don't know how did the feelings
So
turn
parang
cold.
love.
Yeah, it's in the love scenario, yes, type of stuff. Yeah. So it's actually me and Marcus who wrote the song, and
Ooh!
it's from, from film inspiration as well, and from the music that we've heard before, and I guess also from real life experience.
Ayun na nga. So, na-experience nyo ng coldness from other
Mga
people?
I mean, syempre,
Ba talaga?
hindi naman like specifically, it doesn't have to be like romantically. Syempre, we've all been there na parang we're close with someone, tas biglang parang lumalayo sila or parang nagiging cold. So, sana merong mga nakaka-relate sa bagong song namin, which is
I'm sure
cold.
marami nakarinig.
Hindi, oo. And syempre, I know you've been busy with your own endeavors. How has the anchors supported you? How did they support you all throughout this, Syempre, hindi naman pwedeng 24/7 magkakadikit kayo because you were pursuing different projects the past months.
Yeah, because Skyler recently did the music video with Kuya Maki.
Yeah.
And it's something that he was preparing for a long time, and a lot of us still continued with all of our solo stuff and all of our group stuff, even though a member is missing. We still need to keep on promoting as a group, and that's something that we're still looking forward to in the future.
And I heard si Raester babalik soon.
Yes.
Yeah.
Very, very soon.
How soon?
Could
We
be
can-
tomorrow,
Secret
could
pa?
be next week.
Yeah,
Oh,
we
secret
can't
pa.
tell pa kasi we don't want to disappoint the anchors, but it's coming pretty soon kasi he's recovering very well naman.
Wow! I'm so happy to hear that. And babalik ba kayo ng Korea soon? Are you gonna stay
Maybe
put?
we will see in the near future when our next Korea voyage will be.
Oo nga, kasi 'di ba baka mamaya may mga variety show guestings
Yeah, yeah.
na naman kayo, 'di ba? Pero ngayon, are there upcoming shows in the horizon that you guys will be part of, mga festival?
Well, nothing that we know of as a group yet. Our management can tell us about
Yeah.
it. But we haven't heard of anything yet. But of course, we're always looking out for another chance to perform in front of our anchors. So if they want us to perform, of course, we're going to be saying yes to that.
Oo, 'di
So,
ba?
magaling na rin ba kayo mag-Koreans?
Di naman
Oo.
magaling.
Yeah.
Si Marcos, 'di ba?
Yes,
Sample
because-
naman.
Parang yung accent nandyan na nga eh.
Oo. Bisa
Sample
kinausap
nga,
ko siya,
sample.
nagkinurian niya ako eh.
Oh, kasi ako anyong haseyo lang. Annyeonghaseyo.
Ask them if they've eaten.
혹시 밥 먹었어요, 혹시?
Ay.
Ano
daw?
Easy.
Daw.
Mahilig sa Korean novela dito.
Nanonood lang ako pero hindi ako nakakaintindi. Sabi ko,
Galing,
anyong
diba?
haseyo lang alam ko.
Ang dami na rin kasi nilang fans na Korean anchors. That is why kailangan talaga. At doon kayo based. Kaya yun talaga, kailangan talaga na kayo, no? Talagang
Marunong
makapag-communicate. Pero yun, nagpapasample pala yung prod
Yes,
natin. So kahit
please.
ano na
Oh,
daw.
of our new song. Okay.
Yes.
Sure.
Ito na.
Okay.
Cold
Lapit
na
na lang kayo sa-
na-experience
Okay.
nila.
Let's start.
Lapit ka dito kaya Vinci, tas kakaidor dito.
1, 2, 3. How did our feelings turn this cold? When you smile, it gives me chills. It takes one touch to make my body know. Temperatures dropping as we speak. Hands are freezing when I see those eyes were warm like the sun before. You're so cold.
Yung timing.
Walang palya.
Oo, pati pag sumayaw sila, sobra.
Smooth. Suabe. Grabe.
Correct. May mga anchor din tayong ka-age.
Oo.
Diba? Parang diba? Hindi na sila pang Gen Z.
Yeah, we love all our
Sila.
anchors.
All generations
Marami
are
dito
welcome.
senior
I'm
citizens
sure,
ha.
I'm sure magugustuhan mo yung last single nila.
Oh,
Sumayaw
yes.
sumunod, di ba?
Nice.
Yun, na talaga nag-hit. Bonggang-bongga. Wait, so what's your message for your anchors right now na in this season in Horizon's life?
Hi Anchors, thank you so much for supporting us all the way here. And please stream Cold and maraming salamat, mahal namin kayo. Thank you.
Nice. Naku, parang feeling ko to si Fayer, feeling ko mga kahenerasyon natin to kasi sabi niya, ang popogi naman ng mga batang to. Bata, parang silang bata.
Diba? Sabi na ba? Diba? Cute. Oo. Alam mo, gusto ko nga sana yung magka-project yung Horizon Wattpad adaptation. Dahil yun, in the advent of usong-uso ng Wattpad adaptation. Why not, right?
Why not?
Bagay na bagay. Have you been reading? Do you know stories from Wattpad or?
Yeah, the recent one, the Mutianang section.
Yeah.
Oh!
That's from Wattpad too, right?
Yeah, sana nga, di ba? Ang dami pang upcoming, even dito na mga collab projects with TV5 and Viva. Why not? Nandito na naman kayo, di ba?
Yes, we are here.
Sobrang excited. Well, just throwing it out there. Actually,
Yeah.
kakagaling ko na ng Viva ngayon.
Oh.
Kakagaling ko na bago pumunta rito. So, inisip ko ngayon. But anyway, guys, please also give messages in Korean and Filipino daw.
오케이. 앵커 여러분, 너무 사랑해요. 보고 싶었어요. 그리고, yes, please stream Cold. I hope you guys enjoy our newest single because I'm sure many of you guys have been looking forward to it. The people who have been to our latest concert, who have seen it early, but now it's finally out. And to everyone else, please enjoy Cold.
Woohoo!
Your dialect.
Yes!
Hey.
Madamo gid nga salamat sa pagsuporta sa Horizon and Stream Call.
Wow, go, kagaling. Parehos ta.
I love it. Pwede mo na pala i-guess sa One Balita Bay.
Pwede ito mag-one by
Kibawsan ko pag-Bisaya. Ano sa ba mo?
Waray. Go! Batay.
Moping to ay yung tanan. Damo nga salamat pagsuporta at higugmahamon.
Oh.
Sino pa?
Si Kyler.
Meron ka alam?
Tagalog.
Wala.
Tagalog.
So, ayun. Anchors, kung nasan man kayo, sana mag-ingat kayo palagi and always take care of yourself. Kumain sa tamang oras at stream Cold.
Kiss.
Ang magiging artista.
Pangmati ni Idol talaga.
Parang ano
Diba?
talaga.
Diba? Alam paano yung banat kumain kayo sa
In
tamang
the
oras.
zone na.
Ito yung mga natin. Oh guys, thank you so much Horizon for guesting. Stream Cold. Oo, eto na raw, time to extra na raw. Maraming salamat. Thank you so much. Be the next time Dreamers Saturdays and Sundays.
Boys.
Thank you for having us po. Salamat po.
Salamat. And guys, see you all tomorrow.